1-minute story. Cherry blossom. If this is your first time here though, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up. The soft pink petals of the cherry blossom flutter in the gentle breeze, like a promise of hope on the horizon. They are a sign of new beginnings, of fresh starts and unspoken potential. For the people of Japan, the cherry blossom is more than just a flower, it is a symbol of their national identity. The cherry blossom has been associated with the Japanese people for centuries. In fact, the first time the flower was mentioned in writing was in the Tale of Genji, a novel written in the 11th century. Since then, the cherry blossom has been mentioned countless times in Japanese literature and poetry. It is even said that the samurai warrior class arose from under the cherry blossoms, as they were known for their fierce loyalty and honor. To the Japanese people, the cherry blossom represents the transience of life. It is a reminder that every moment is precious, and that we must make the most of the time we have. Every spring, as the cherry blossoms bloom across the country, people come out in droves to admire their beauty. For a few weeks, the nation is united in appreciation of this simple yet powerful symbol. While the cherry blossom is undeniably beautiful, it is also a reminder of the sorrows of life. The delicate petals are easily blown away by the wind, and the flowers only bloom for a short time before falling to the ground. In this way, the cherry blossom symbolizes both the fragility and the fleeting nature of life. Despite this, the cherry blossom is still a source of hope and inspiration for the Japanese people. It is a reminder that, even in the face of sorrow and adversity, life goes on. The cherry blossom is a symbol of strength and resilience, a reminder that the Japanese people have faced many challenges throughout their history, but have always emerged victorious. In recent years, the cherry blossom has taken on a new meaning for the Japanese people. In the wake of the 2011 tsunami and nuclear disaster, the cherry blossom became a symbol of hope and rebirth. As the nation began to rebuild, the cherry blossoms served as a reminder that, even in the darkest of times, there is always the potential for new growth and new beginnings. Every year, as the cherry blossoms begin to bloom, the Japanese people are reminded of the beauty and fragility of life. They are reminded of their history, of their strength, and of their resilience. The cherry blossom is more than just a flower, it is a symbol of the Japanese people and of the human spirit. Thank you so much for listening. If you're new here, don't forget to click wherever the red subscribe button is. Click that and give me a thumbs up.